Check out this Dodge 2020 Charger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are cold weather package included, heated steering wheel, exterior mirrors with heating element, power heated mirrors with man-away heated front seats, Torque clear coat, quick order package to EG included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise painted, manufacturer's statement of origin, black houndstooth cloth sport seat included, power 8-way driver seat, heated front seats, power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, STD, blacktop package included, gloss black fascia applique, gloss black IP cluster trim rings, black one-piece performance spoiler, satin black Charger deck lid badge, satin black